today I'm doing a look on this, which is a look for Pride based off of the lesbian flag. If you don't know, I like girls. I'm a lesbian. That's really weird to put on the internet. I really hope that people who would hate that and know me in real life do not see this, because that would be not cute. Fun fact, people in my family have found out I'm gay through this YouTube channel, so it's kind of weird to like post a like full out there kind of Pride video. So if you guys want to find out how to do this look, just keep on watching. I hope you like it. Okay, I never realized how much I can't see until I do videos like this. You can't tell, I've already started with my brows, my base makeup, and my eyelid primer. I look crazy. I'm sorry, but we're gonna start with this look. I don't know how this look is gonna go. I'm horrified and I'm praying I don't look as crusty on camera as I do in real life. I hope you guys can kind of see what's going on. I have to have a mirror like 2 inches from my face, otherwise I can't see. I'm planning on doing a sort of cut crease look using red and magentas and pinks. For the red, I'm really not sure what color I'm going to use because I don't have a matte red color, which is probably the stupidest thing. So I'm thinking of using this full spectrum Urban Decay palette and mixing Gossip and Seas. They're both glittery, but they're both pretty like bright pink colors. A dirty fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna blend them together. Oh, that's sad. I was really hoping for like a bright. There, yeah, that kind of looks red, right? Might go in with an actual red in a minute, because I do have like a red, but again, it's really super glittery. I really was planning on doing a halo eye look for this. However, I tried to do a little mock-up last night, and it's difficult. I don't know how to do a halo eye. Everyone talks about cut creases being difficult, but they aren't as difficult as a halo eye for me. One thing that I never understand is how beauty gurus can do one eye and then like completely finish it and go back and do the other eye perfectly. That gives me anxiety. Alright, next I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to be going in with that shimmery red color up here. I am realizing I do have a red matte color. However, it's not as pigmented as I would like it to be for this look. Ooh! Come through, NYX. Who are you? I was never that big of a NYX fan. Like, I used to use their foundations a lot when I was younger, but never got into their eyeshadows, and I kind of wish I did sooner. I found this like look really difficult to think of what to do because there's so many different pink shades and not enough bright pink shades, which is mainly what I own for like eyeshadows. And I was just like, what the hell am I gonna do? The issue with cut creases is you always make the cut crease higher than your actual like crease, and I don't want to lose all the intensity. I think I'm gonna go in here too with some red. Whenever I go in here, I feel like that's when I start to screw things up, but we're just gonna do it. Next, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease. I never know. I think I'm gonna use this little brush. It's really messy, I'm sorry. You know, higher than my normal crease. As you do. I don't really know what shape I'm going for the cut crease, but it's gonna work, don't worry. Yeah, that looks super crazy right now, but don't worry, it'll turn out fine. I'm just gonna be using this to kind of set that cut crease. I never thought about setting a cut crease before, and it makes so much sense. It looks a little crazy, but honestly, if I can just make my right eye or my left eye look good for pictures, I'm happy. And next, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Quad thing, and I'm going to be using the Sangria Sunset. I don't know how this is going to look. It might look absolutely stupid. It might look cute. I think I'm going to use some. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. That would have been horrifying. I would have died. I'm going to grab some MAC Fix Plus spray in my mirror, my only source of vision, and hopefully it'll kind of bring up the intensity. I have no direction with what I'm doing, and I feel like a mess. Okay, you know what? It's growing on me slowly. Very, very slowly. I'm gonna grab this color or this brush and kind of blend in the center there and then like out here. You know that feeling when you're like in the middle of a look and you're not sure if it's a look, so you kind of want to give up on the look, but you're like, I have to believe in the look. That's me right now. I'm gonna grab the Urban Decay palette again, a small fluffy brush, and these two colors and bring it down here. I'm just gonna like really blend this out. I think I'm just gonna bring it down so we look a little bruised. Okay, so I just remembered that I have a pink highlighter. And please don't kill me, I'm using a Kat Von D highlighter. I know that she's in like some tough waters right now. I don't even really know what's going on, but I'm gonna be using her Alchemist pink palette right here. Yes, this one. And I'm just gonna kind of try and make this more pink. Next, I'm doing some pink eyeliner. A bright pink eyeliner. Yes, ma'am. I really don't know how I'm gonna do this, but it's gonna work out, trust me. I just put eyeliner in my eye. That's fun. I really like this because I can be super messy with it and it doesn't matter. People always tell me to do eyeliner tutorials, but I do them all the time on all of my other videos. Also, on top of it, if you couldn't tell, my eyeliner skills are really bad. You know what? Sometimes you try really heckin' hard and it just doesn't turn out, and you know what? That's the harsh reality of makeup. I did my little bit of like pink eyeliner. It's pretty like low-key, I think. And I'm going to be messing with the rest of my face, which I want it to be just as intense. One thing I really wanted to do was I wanted to have some like glitter underneath my eyeballs. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Dude, and I'm just going to be applying that underneath here very heavily. I'm going to pat that and grab my chunky In Your Dreams glitter and just apply it underneath there because I thought that would look really pretty. That's a look. That's a heckin' look. Yeah, you know, I'm okay with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my lashes. I was thinking of doing lashes, but now I'm thinking of like, what if I made my lashes pink? Like, this is supposed to be a pink look. I'm gonna be using the MAC Peony Petal blush. I know it looks crazy, but this look is supposed to look quite crazy, and I'm just gonna go ham under here. This looks pretty ridiculous and I'm kind of really feeling it. I'm just kind of going crazy on the nose because I think that blush on the nose looks really freaking cute and it's a look. Now I'm going to be using my highlight. Again, going in with the pink opal color. I'm just gonna go super ham because I want that crazy highlight. I don't go light on the highlight ever. So I take it I should go even crazier right now because this is supposed to be crazy. I'm just gonna apply it in a couple of places to really make it pop. Next, I think I'm gonna try to see if I can make my eyelashes pink. So I'm really gonna hope this doesn't make me lose all my eyelashes or go blind. I think either of those would be pretty horrible. That's pretty. I've always wanted to do that. By the way, this is the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Petal. This is a cute look. You know, I went into this feeling like a goof, but the more crazy you go, the less crazy everything else looks. I'm thinking of doing fake freckles too with the pink because I thought that would be really cute. I feel like my face looks super naked, so I'm just gonna try and do a little freckle action. Okay, your girl's back. And I'm here with this crazy black wig, but I wanted a black wig, which is why my eyebrows were looking super dang dark. I really hope you guys like this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I did put on red lipstick, which I used Sephora's red lipstick in the color 01. And then I just added some more of that Fenty Beauty on top because I wanted it. It looked too matte and plain and I thought this would make it look a little cuter and make it pop a little more. I really like this look. I wish I had contact lenses because I would totally do pink contacts with this. That would be super cute. I hope you guys like it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I was scared it was going to be horrible. So I'm super happy. I hope you guys like this video. I wanted to go film my parents' reaction to this look because they always have really funny reactions to my looks. So let's go. Mom? Yeah? Are you on the toilet? Do you like my look? I wanted to film your reaction, but it's on my face.
Oh my god.
Do you like my look?
I don't know. It's kind of like...
Do I look like the Grudge?
way creepy.
It's not supposed to be creepy, but...
Really?
No.
Who are you supposed to look like?
Nothing.
What's the Grudge?
Have you not seen the girl with like the black hair like this? Who comes out of the sink or whatever?
Oh!
It's different. Do you like it?
Alice is saying it all. Wow.
I wanted to film Dad's look because he has funnier. You're just like, oh.
Nothing shocks me anymore with you.
Dad, for some reason, is not
It's not what?
used to it yet.
What's outside? Oh.
What do you think of my look?
That's great. Better on your,
Huh?
what's on your eyes? You look like a demon or something.
A demon?
Are you supposed to look like one?
No.
Contact things in?
No, that's my
Oh.
eyes.
They look like...
It's weird because I do look a lot different than I
Totally
normally do
different.
with this
yeah,
look.
you do. Very different.
What's that for? Cause...
No, it's just a makeup look. So, my family's reaction was interesting. They usually react very differently. I think that they were just weird because they were being filmed, but I don't blame them for that. I didn't even ask them. I was just like, hello. Yeah, okay, bye. Please comment down below if you're gonna retry this look or if you did a look for Pride. I want to see it. Tag me in it on Instagram. Yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side.